collecting lots of hay so that we can like tie it together to make bundles, and then when we have enough bundles, they're going to be made into like a roof.
A thatched roof.
A thatched roof, yeah.
Meet Vari and Sarisha, our first volunteers of 2025. They came to help care of the many animals who live in Cattsville. One of the first projects they joined was preparing hay for a new shaded roof on the chicken coop, a simple but important way to protect our birds from the summer sun. After settling in and getting to know Cattsville, Sarisha had the lovely idea, adding some personality to our cement storage building.
I'm going to film the bird. He's here next to you.
With brushes, paints, and help from our curious chick, Peep 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 Peep, the two of them started transforming plain gray walls into something much more cheerful. From hay to paint, from birds to cats, their days were filled with many kinds of care. They dedicated many hours to finishing their painting project, working around the weather and their own responsibilities to bring it to life. When the final wall was complete, it was time to sign their names. And then from the other side as well. Thank you, Vari and Sarisha, for being the first to leave your mark, not only on the walls, but on Cattsville itself.